Alright guys, the bow is finished and I am very happy with it. It punches arrows through quite a lot of stuff. I'll show you in another video soon. But now all that's left to do is I'm just going to pimp it up a bit. I'm going to sand it down. I'm going to put some gun blue across it, so hopefully I'll get a nice black blue bow. Then I'm just going to sand down the handle. I'll show you how it is afterwards. Okay, now let's give it a going over with the elliptical sander. Time for a quick blast with acetone just to clean it up, get all the oil off it. Whee. Now for the bluing. I'll be using this Superblue, which probably I should hold it around this way. Superblue gun blue. It's absolutely brilliant stuff. One of my favourite things to use. Let's see how this works on a Lee spring bow. Ooh, let's get that focused. Okay. Now, I've got my gun blue. I've also got water. So once I put it on, you'll see the effect straight away. But then after a while, you want to wash it off. Otherwise, it'll leave this kind of, not really rust, but it's sort of strange finish to the metal. Okay, let's try this out then. Here we go. Oopsie, shit. Oh, look at that. Absolutely amazing stuff. A little bit more. We'll do a few coats on each bit. Fuck me, that's acetone. Wipe that off. It's a bugger with the longbow, trying to get it steady. There we go. There we go. Shit. Oh shit, that was a waste. What are you crying for, little man?
No, no.
There we go.
No.
Well, I'd say complete success. Yeah, you can see, I don't know if you'll be able to see in the light, but that's the back side, which I'll do in a bit, and that's the front side. It is beautifully blacked up. Turn it into a nice stealth bow. But see if I can zoom in on this a bit better. Here we go. So that's the original colour, and now it's nice and black. That Gun blue is beautiful stuff. We'll string it up and take it for a test drive. Okay, so after making it all nice and black, I decided I wanted to try something. So what I'm going to do is use a Sharpie to draw my little symbol on here, and then put the gun blue over the top, then wash it off with acetone and see if it leaves a nice clear symbol. Okay, this has been lovely drawn on by my lovely wife. Let's see if this works. It won't take 2 seconds. Black it all up again. Oh, look at that. Love it. Might as well go over the rest of it as well again. We'll leave that for a few minutes and then we'll see if it comes off nice. Now for the moment of truth. Acetone cloth. There we go. Beautiful. There we go. Insigniaed bow. Thank you, Mark. See if we can focus this in a bit more. Lovely. Look at that. Nice black finish with a beautiful insignia. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed yourself, like and subscribe. Baby's crying, I have to go.